Have you ever wondered why humans grow old? Why does a child become an adult? Why does an adult eventually become elderly? And perhaps the biggest question of all, why can't humans stay young forever? Every person who has ever lived has faced the same reality. No matter how rich, no matter how powerful, no matter how famous, everyone ages. But why? At first glance, aging seems strange. Your body is constantly repairing itself. Every day, old cells die. New cells replace them. Cuts heal. Bones repair themselves. Your body's working around the clock to keep you alive. So, if the body can repair itself, why doesn't it simply keep doing that forever? To understand the answer, we need to look much closer. Deep inside your body are trillions of tiny cells. These cells are the building blocks of life. Your skin is made of cells, your muscles are made of cells, even your brain is made of cells. Throughout your life, many of these cells divide to create new ones. This process allows the body to grow and replace damaged tissue. For many years, this system works remarkably well. But there is a problem. Every time a cell divides, it must copy its genetic information, and like making copies of a document over and over again. The process is never perfectly flawless. Tiny mistakes can gradually accumulate. Most of the time, the body can handle these mistakes, but over many years, the damage slowly adds up. And that is only part of the story. Scientists discovered that our chromosomes have protective structures called telomeres. You can think of them as protective caps. Each time a cell divides, these caps become slightly shorter, little by little, year after year. Eventually, some cells lose their ability to divide normally. When this happens, the body's repair system becomes less effective. The result is something we all recognize. Skin becomes less smooth, hair begins to turn grey, muscles become weaker. The body is still repairing itself, but not as efficiently as before. At the same time, damage never stops occurring. Sunlight affects the skin. Pollution affects the body. Stress affects many biological processes. Even normal life creates wear and tear. For decades, the body fights this damage, but eventually, the damage begins to outpace the repairs, and aging becomes more visible. Yet aging is not simply a human problem. Trees age, dogs age, cats age, birds age. Almost every living thing experiences the passage of time. It is one of the most universal features of life itself. Today, scientists around the world are trying to better understand aging. Some researchers hope that one day humans may be able to slow it down. Others are searching for ways to help people remain healthier for longer. But despite all our technology, no one has found a way to stop aging completely. At least, not yet. So why do humans age? Because the body's repair systems are not perfect. Because damage slowly accumulates over time, and because every living organism is constantly changing. In the end, aging may seem like a flaw, but it is actually a reminder of something remarkable, that our bodies have spent years growing, learning, adapting, and surviving. And perhaps that is what makes every stage of life valuable.